Most email welcome sequences make one simple mistake. Everyone who joins the list gets the exact same email no matter where they signed up from. Someone who downloaded a free guide gets the same message as someone who just bought a product or registered for a webinar. That disconnect can make your emails feel super generic, and it often can lead to lower engagement. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple email welcome sequence in ActiveCampaign. So let's get into it. So before we get into the walkthrough, I just want to talk about what ActiveCampaign actually is. So ActiveCampaign is an email marketing and automation platform that helps you send emails, build automated workflows, and manage your contacts in one place. Instead of manually sending emails every time someone joins your list, you can create sequences that send automatically based on what someone does. For example, when someone signs up through a form, downloads a lead magnet, clicks a specific link, or makes a purchase, ActiveCampaign can automatically trigger a sequence of emails. This is what makes it possible to build welcome sequences that feel personalized even when everything is automated. Another powerful part of ActiveCampaign is segmentation. Segmentation allows you to group contacts based on certain characteristics, such as where they signed up, what content they interacted with, or which products they purchased. You can do this using tags, lists, or custom fields, but tags are often the simplest place to start. When you combine segmentation with automation, you can send different welcome sequences depending on how someone joins your list. That means the message they receive actually matches the reason they signed up. Now, if you don't already have an ActiveCampaign account, we do have an exclusive link where you can get signed up absolutely for free, so you can completely follow along. So once you click that link, you can go ahead and click Start Trial. You'll just go ahead and enter your email. You will have to confirm your email, so then you'll type in a password and then you will be logged in. Once you're logged in, this is what the homepage looks like. What I like about ActiveCampaign is it kind of tells you exactly how to get started. You can add your brand kit, you can create an email campaign, and you can create an automation. So over here in this navigation bar, they've got business goals, they've got all of their contacts right here. Automations, which is where we will be working. You can just send one-off emails. They've got WhatsApp, deals, so kind of like a CRM, a website, and reports. We're going to navigate to contacts first. We're going to go to tags. So we're just going to go ahead and add tags so we have somewhere to segment. So we're going to start off with lead magnet. Okay, so maybe you have a specific lead magnet, and then we're going to do product. Okay, obviously you'll want to name them the exact product and the exact lead magnet in case you end up having multiple, but just for example and clarity's sake, I'm just going to leave it lead magnet and product. So now we've got two different tags. So now when we go to automations, we're going to create multiple automations. You can start from scratch. You can do that if you want, but using AI to your advantage is going to just speed up the process. Okay, so we're going to start with automation, but again, you can start from scratch if you want. Say build a welcome sequence from tag lead magnet and create 4 emails just nurturing the lead. I want to talk about my mission, my why, who I help, some tips, etc. You can be more specific if you want or more generic if you want, but this is just going to give us a really good starting point. Now it even tells us what it did. Created welcome automation that starts when someone is tagged with lead magnet. Again, that tag that we created. Email number 1 welcomes leads and introduces the mission. Email 2 is the why, so the passion for helping businesses succeed. Email 3 explains who you help businesses in various sectors. Email 4 provides valuable tips, etc. So obviously this is just a manufacturing example, but you'll tailor it to exactly what you need. Okay, now that it's created it, we can edit it in automation. So that is the beauty of this, is they give you a starting point. You can go in and you can go ahead and update it however you want to edit it with your own journey. Okay, AI is a powerful tool, but it's just a starting point. It's so important to add in your message, your brand voice, and everything in between to make it truly authentically you. Okay, now that we've got the lead magnet welcome sequence, we can go in and edit it and customize it. So now if we wanted to make a second one, we can even just show what it would look like from scratch. I'll just go ahead and click start. From here, what we'll want to do is start with a trigger. So we'll want to be a tag. Okay, tag is added. We want the tag to be product. We'll go ahead and click add start. Okay, so now we've got tag product is added. Now we can go ahead and add an email and say, thanks for your purchase. We can generate with AI to make it even easier. Okay, we'll send an email. We're going to save and design later. Okay, so you can create a new email or you can start from an existing email. Okay, then we'll want to go ahead and add a waiting period, maybe a set period. So maybe we want to wait maybe 2 days. We'll click save, and then we'll want to send another email, okay? Maybe that's a discount for buying something new, or maybe we want to ask how they're enjoying the product and ask for a review. Then we can add another wait button. We can again just customize. Maybe we want to wait like 4 days now, okay? You want to make sure you're leaving enough time to where they're not forgetting about you, but you're also not bombarding them, right? Okay, and then we can add another email. And again, maybe it's a discount, maybe it's a review, maybe it's just nurturing them, whatever it may be. But you want to have a point to it, right? So the welcome sequence is more for nurturing, and then maybe after a couple emails, we want to pitch our product, right? Maybe for a product, we want to, again, keep them in our ecosystem, nurture them a little bit more, and then send them a discount code to buy something else. Or maybe the point is to have a review, or maybe the point is to have them review the product, okay? Whatever it may be, just make sure you have a clear outcome for the sequence, okay? You don't want to just have one randomly without a point to it. Make sure you're planning everything out ahead of time, okay? Now, I wanted to touch on a few common mistakes that beginners can make when setting up welcome sequences. The first mistake is trying to build a perfect system immediately. Your automation does not need to be perfect on day one. It's really better to launch something simple and then improve it over time. Another mistake is creating too many segments when your audience is still small. If you only have a few hundred subscribers, you don't need 5 different welcome sequences. You also want to avoid writing sequences that feel completely disconnected from each other. Even if subscribers enter through different paths, the overall voice and message of your emails should still feel consistent with your brand. And finally, always test your automation before launching it. Sign up using your own form, trigger the automation, and make sure the emails arrive in the correct order with the correct tags applied. Okay, now I wanted to touch on the different plans and pricing options. So again, if you use our link, you can go ahead and go to pricing. They have a bunch of different options here, so it depends on the amount of contacts that you actually have. So depending if you want email, WhatsApp, and then email and WhatsApp, also depends, okay? So I'm gonna go over just the email for now, but again, you can check it out yourself if you would like. And I'm gonna go over the lowest amount of contacts, but again, just note that as your contacts increase, so will the price. The starter plan with just email and 1,000 contacts is $15 per month, billed annually. With this, you get active intelligence, but limits do apply, marketing automation, email marketing, segmentation, but the most limited, 5 actions per automation, the standard CRM and e-commerce integrations, and then 1 user. Then the plus plan is $49 per month, billed annually. With this, you get everything in the starter, but you can go a bit further with automations and customer insights. You also get access to landing pages. Then they've got the pro plan, which is $79 per month, billed annually. With this, you get active intelligence, of course, but you can also unlock enhanced email orchestration. So you get premium e-commerce integrations and advanced segmentation, and then you also get 3 users. Then they've got the enterprise, and this is run email marketing at scale with enterprise level support. So this is $145 per month. You get 5 users. You of course get everything in the pro plan. You get single sign-on, predictive and conditional content, and so much more. So this is really the most advanced plan. Again, that is with just 1,000 email contacts. The more you have, the more the price is going to be. So just make sure you're paying attention to that, but you can go ahead and get started with a 14-day free trial using our link down below. If you want more control over your email marketing and the ability to personalize your welcome sequences, ActiveCampaign is such a powerful option. It gives you the tools to segment your audience, automate your emails, and create systems that actually scale as your business grows. If you're just starting and only need a simple newsletter tool, it may feel like more functionality than you need at first, but for creators and businesses who want to build more advanced email systems over time, it really provides that flexibility as well. Setting up personalized welcome sequences may seem a bit complicated at first, but truly, once you understand how tags, triggers, and automations work together, it really becomes so simple and easy to manage. A simple system that separates subscribers based on where they join can make your emails feel far more relevant and engaging. If you want to try out ActiveCampaign yourself, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your first website and grow your online business using simple tools and practical strategies. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.